Here are social media handles. Nptel has a presence on LinkedIn, it has a presence on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and the YouTube community. So, we are available on all these 5 social media handles. You can see the followers also here. Recently, the last 1 year, we have been very active on the social media, putting out very good posts and memes and receiving very good feedback. So, thank you for the support and thank you for following us and thank you for encouraging us for all the posts that we are making there. So, if you follow our handles, most of the information on the NPTEL projects are normally also put out here in terms of posts, so you can know what is going on with NPTEL, what are the new initiatives that are there and see if anything is interesting to you.